Well, after Venkaiah Naidu, it is Union Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad who's reaffirmed the government's stand in connection to Uniform Civil Code. Ravi Shankar Prasad dismissing the opposition's claims of polarisation and stating that the Muslim Law Board must attend the meetings of Law Commission to discuss the matter further.
First of all, you must understand, triple talaq is a petition filed by victim Muslim women before the Supreme Court. Victims of triple talaq. The Supreme Court has sought our response. And we have stated basically three things. It relates to gender justice, gender equality, and gender dignity, which are fundamental pivots of our Constitution. Right to equality, no discrimination on the ground of sex, right to life with dignity, etc. We have said, if that is the case, there are nearly a dozen Islamic countries all over the world, from Bangladesh to Egypt to Tunisia to Morocco to Iran and to Indonesia to Pakistan. All of them have regulated their matrimonial laws, including triple talaq, conciliation, arbitration. The point we have taken is, if in an Islamic country a regulation of triple talaq is not found to be violative of Sharia, how can the same argument become relevant in an admitted secular country like India? Therefore, our focus is purely and purely, Prakash, on gender justice, gender equality and gender dignity.
You have also raised issues of polygamy.
Why? I have not raised, they have raised. Because polygamy is also sought to be protected under that. And the larger issue is, our government, as is the mandate of Constitution, completely respects the freedom of religion and freedom of faith. But every practice which is unfair and discriminatory cannot be held to be integral to faith.
Polygamy is unfair, according to you.
We have taken our position. Now it is, I don't want to make any point as to what is going to be argued. But our stand is very clear. The entire grievance of the Muslim ladies is to be seen on the anvil and standards of gender justice, equality and women dignity.
And Muslim Personal Law Board are opposing this whole issue of triple talaq as well as the Uniform Civil Code. And they are also opposing the meeting of the Law Commission because this matter is before the Law Commission.
First of all, I don't wish to make any comment on what the Muslim Personal Law Board have stated before the Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court. As regards the Uniform Civil Code, Prakash, must understand one thing. This is a paper floated by the Law Commission. Our view is very clear. The issue of Uniform Civil Code must have the widest consultation possible by all the stakeholders, including jurists, people, women. The government has no connection whatsoever with that consultation process. Law Commission is a statutory body headed by a former Supreme Court judge. I would appreciate all the stakeholders to go and say what they are saying on media with the Law Commission. The Law Commission will firm up its views, but we are nowhere in the picture as far as the consultation process of the Law Commission.
The government has initiated the process of One India, One Law. We agree with it. But as far as various political parties are concerned, I was listening to some of the reactions from opposition parties. They were saying that it is an effort to polarize the votes just before the UP and the Punjab elections.
This is grossly unfair. As I said, Supreme Court asked us to give a response to their petition. Law Commission is doing this job for the last so many months, framing issues. I would say this whole issue ought to be debated, considered, analyzed and understood from the abiding values of our Constitution.
And all party meeting would also be convened for this?
Surely let the Law Commission first complete the process.
Would you want to consult the political parties and all party meetings should be consulted on this and their suggestions would be taken?
You are asking how many questions now itself? Let the Law Commission plus complete the process of consultation, firm up its report. They are themselves doing consultation. Then we will have to consider something.